You know what? Believe whoever you want. I'm not going back into this GC. Fuck this shit. I'm quitting art and everything forever.
I fucked your mom, Kera.
Okay. I was trying to say was that it does, like, again, even though it's not, like, the characters are not real and stuff like that, the situation and what, like, abuse, self-harm is real, though. So that's, like, the thing is you have to make sure you put trigger warnings on the video and stuff like that. That's what mostly started this drama, because you didn't put that. And then you started to say it's all Gia's fault.
You know what? Fine. I hope this drama continues, and I'll just hurt myself on my birthday until it ends.
Bro, stop guilt tripping. I will actually get a welfare check on your ass.
I am not guilt tripping. I actually have suicide issues, and you just don't understand.
Keep threatening suicide, because you know something? I've actually been through this shit, and you think it's a joke. Shut the fuck up. Just shut up. Do us a favor. Shut up. Delete your account. Fucking leave social media.
You know what? Fine, I will. I'm done.
Go.
You win.
Go.
So does Gia. I'm done.
Go.
Oh yeah, you want to talk about it?
The thing is, Kara, you can't.
I'm leaving. I'm done. She wants it. Fine. I'll give it to her.
I'll be railing your mom ever since you were born. 2017, Damien be railing you. And then what happened?
I was trying to be fucking respectful. This fucking bitch was like, well, I'm gonna hurt myself. Like, girl, you're using that as a fucking, like, a guilt tripping way, and you're like saying, I'm not using it as guilt trip. Bro, I went through that same shit, dude, when I was fucking 6 years old. Like,
it tore me apart. But I learned an important lesson. You can't count on anyone.
Go ahead, rip it! Rip it! Rip it! No one cares! Rip it! No one cares! Rip it! Stay mad! Stay mad! Stay mad! Stay mad! Stay mad! Stay it! Stay! No one cares! No one cares! No one cares! No one cares!
I'm done being an artist. I'm sick and tired of all this drama.
Ripping on my
I'm tired of
it. Shush! She's saying stuff.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I like this. Rip it. Rip it. Go. Rip that paper. Rip that paper. Go.
You see this? Look what you all made me do.
No one cares.
You all made me delete this.
No one cares.
Destroy it.
No one cares.
And I hope you're all happy.
Yeah, we are happy. No one cares.
I'm done being an artist for good.
Good.
I don't want to draw anymore. I don't want to do anything.
Good.
Because of this.
Good. No one cares. Dude, the way she's sitting here like, grrr!
I'm so stressed.
I'm so stressed.
I'm gonna send this to
dude. You can just hear, go. No one cares. No one cares. Rip that art. Leave the community. Go. Leave Discord. Leave YouTube. Go. No one cares.
That's what you get for everything.
Be mad. Be mad. Stay mad. No one cares. Goddamn.
Yeah, we're happy for what you did. Yeah, stop being an artist.
No one fucking cares, literally. Die, bitch, die! Exactly, throw it in the trap.
Also, don't do animation. Also, don't do animation.
And don't do concept. Don't you dare do concept art either.
What a loser.
Goodbye, little girl. No one fucking cares.
What have you done?
Seriously, shut up!
Okay, okay, this is just me personally. I really don't.
Just shut up!
Excuse me?
the virgin skinny. He doesn't get laid like my mama with Daddy Damien. I hope he suck on my devil cock. Bitch.